Hey everybody, this is Joe with BigWestMarketing.com. In this video, I want to talk to electrical contractors about how to get more business from your website to install home generators. Let's get started right now. Okay, so since Trump announced his energy emergency, I just went over to Google Trends. Let's jump over to my computer right now. So here I am at Google Trends, and all this is a free program by Google. All you do is go to trends.google.com and you can just search for things that are trending on Google, so things that people are searching for. So what I did is I just typed in home generators just to see if there was a spike in anything that people are searching for regarding home generators since Trump made this announcement. Now, I didn't see anything exciting along those lines, but when I scrolled down to related queries, something I noticed is that 190% increase in Generac home generator dealers. Now, what got me excited about this is that I know that there is a program that electrical contractors can sign up for, which is this program that Generac offers to become an actual dealer with Generac. Now, Kitsap Electric here, he is a certified installer with Generac, and what's cool is when you click on this link on his website that we created here, it takes you to a special page that is dedicated to generator sales, installation, and service. Now, a lot of you probably mention on your website that you do generator installation on your website, but you have a whole page that's dedicated to generator installation, sales, and service, okay? Here's the key. Now look at this. This is a fully fleshed out page that's all about generators, all about sales, installation, and service. This is all unique content. We have unique pictures. We have frequently asked questions. This is a fully fleshed out page dedicated to generators, okay? And here's the key. Most people are not doing this. Most electrical contractors are not doing this. They just mention it somewhere on their website. If you really want to compete, if you really want to get the business in your area, you need to let people know that you are an authority on generator sales, installation, and service, okay? So you need to have a fully optimized page with lots of unique content, lots of unique pictures, and like I said, you got to have frequently asked questions, and you got to have all this different stuff here. Energy is big in the news right now. People are nervous about the grid. Our clients are telling us that. We are talking to people just around town. Jeff, the 360 electrician, we just had a big discussion about it. Guys, right now it's hot. Generators are hot. If you want to get this business, you got to have a page dedicated, whether you use us as a web designer, or if you have a web designer, or if you're doing your own web design, you need to have a dedicated page. You need to have lots of unique content. You need to have lots of unique pictures on your website, and you need to have it fully optimized for Google. That means you need to have keywords. That means you need to have titles that are talking all about generators in your area, okay, in the cities, in the places that you want to rank. Google needs to see this, and then people that land on your website need to see that you are an authority, okay? So you need to get on this now. This is the time. 2025 is the time to do this, and you need to do it right. If you have any questions, or if you want to get on a free consultation, jump on my website. Go to BigWestMarketing.com, click on free consultation. Let's jump on a call. Let's talk about how to do this right, and you can do this for all different types of services, not just generators, all the different types of services that you want to rank for with Google, or if you want to promote, you need to do this for each one of those main services, okay? Not just generators. You can do it for solar, you can do it for panel upgrades, you can do it for all the different stuff that you want to specialize in, guys. So like I said, my name is Joe Burnich with BigWestMarketing.com. Let's jump on a call, a free consultation, and let's make 2025 the best year ever. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.